Should peace be purchased with the coin of our freedom? Good day to all. I am Joshua Andrea C. Presto, here to present my persuasive speech with the topic, Should Freedom be Sacrificed for the Sake of Peace? And the title, The Price of Peace. Imagine a world where the streets are silent, not because of peace, but from fear, where every word, thought, and movement is weighted and guarded in the name of peace. A seductive but dangerous dilemma that we face today, the idea that we must trade our freedom for peace. I am here to say that this is a false drive, an illusion that is dangerous, shown also in history time and time again, where we choose to give up freedom for peace, but instead achieve a fragile and unstable state of life. History is a graveyard of nations that chose this path, ranging from ancient empires to modern regimes, a path to oppression, a peace built on the suppression of ideas, the silencing of voices, and the subjugation of individuals is no peace at all. It is merely an act of tyranny. In the 20th century, a time of conflict is also a reminder of the consequences of freedom being sacrificed. A dictator that promised stability by ignoring opinions and outcomes, like the Soviet Union to Cambodia. The peace offered was simply to add more graves. They did not bring peace, but purges, famines, and genocide. True peace is the kind that endures and is forged in open dialogue, respectful debate, and the collective will of free people. It is the peace of a community that can disagree without resorting to violence, a nation that can address its injustices without fear of reprisal, and a world where every person has the right to live, think, and speak without permission. We must not be so easily swayed by the illusion of a quiet life that we surrender the very principle that makes life worth living. A bargain that promises peace in exchange for freedom is no bargain at all. What good is a peaceful prison? What comfort can be found in a silent cage? In such a place, you are safe from harm, but not truly living. A life that promises paradise, but keeps you in a cage, is a life not worth living. We must not accept this trade. Instead, we must envision a foundation of peace built on liberty and freedom for all of society. Therefore, we must never sacrifice freedom for the sake of peace.